we're going to be talking about the preterite of tener. If you want to look at it in your book, it's on page 300, so página 300, page 300. And of course, just like tener is in pretty much every tense, it's going to be irregular in the preterite. Nobody's surprised about that. First off, I hope you remember what tener means. Hopefully you said to have. So when we have it in the preterite, of course, it's going to be had. Okay. Now we are going to be doing some sentences later where we put it with K, where it'll be like had to do whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the conjugation itself. Here we have, whoa, sorry about that, tuve, which is the yo form, tuviste, so I had, you had, informal, tuvo, he had, she had, you formal had, tuvimos, we had, there's your vosotros form, and then tuvieron, which is they had, you plural had. Okay, so not terribly difficult. You just have to remember that they all changed it to you, right? And in the preterite, we would typically have accents on the yo form and the lia usted form, and we do not in this case have those accents. So we got another case where it is kind of irregular. Okay, go ahead and turn to página 307, so page 307, and we're going to look at number 7 for an exercise here with this word. It says, Ana es una metiche y quiere saber dónde estaba todo el mundo ayer por la tarde. Explica lo que tuvo que hacer todo el mundo y luego pregúntale qué tuvo que hacer ella. Usa el prederiteoftener y seguir el modelo. So we're going to be making sentences with the preterite of tener that follow the model. Okay, so the model, they're going to give us the names and then hacer, well, like a little phrase. In this case, it's hacer unos mandados. Okay, so you're going to put in the correct form of the preterite of tener and que, right? Because this is going to be something that they had to do. Okay, so we have here Beto, and then what form of tener would you be using with Beto since it's he? Right. Hopefully you said tuvo. So Beto tuvo, then you're going to add a que. Beto tuvo que, and then you're going to go ahead and put the rest of the phrase. Ir a la clase de artes marciales. Okay. On your next one, you have yo. So what form of tener in the preterite would you be using? Tuve. Okay. And you're going to put a que after it. So tuve que. I had to, and then cuidar a mi hermanito. I had to take care of my little brother. Okay, so go ahead and do their 3 through 6. If you have any questions, let me know.